EasyStore allow anyone without coding experience to build a full function e-commerce store. So if you want to sell one product, you have 20 products to sell, you can do that here. So if you go to joomlashaper.com, I want to show you just a quick demo before I actually start to build this thing, just so you can see that the possibilities are endless. Again, in this course, I'm not going to focus on any advanced techniques. My goal is I want to teach you how to build a simple store and to get your website up and going. You can always learn more and do a little bit more later, and I have courses for that. So let's take a look here. This is this site, just some of the basic things you can manage. You can sell, profit. You can have multiple product variants. And as you scroll down, it shows you and gives you a little bit more about all that it has to offer. Now I'm going to go through once we install EasyStore on the back end to show you how some of these things work, but at least I just want you to have an overview of how things are. Now let's take a look at a demo. Okay, let's go to the demo here so you can see what the store looks like in action. Now this is a full functioning, high quality professional website that you can be able to build. So as you scroll down, you have call outs like this. You can click for each product, and then you scroll down here. You have multiple categories, and you can let's click on this one for example, and it shows you can have reviews, you can have if the product is in stock, you can have the quantities, you can have the sizes, you can even choose the colors. So based on the colors that someone uses, at the card you can have a wish list. You have Medicare, you have the reviews. So it gives you all the core things that you need for a quality e-commerce website, and it's so easy to use. It's a drag and drop, so there's absolutely no coding that's required in order for you to build a store. Now if you have experience in coding and you want to do some more, absolutely, but this is just to show you how easy it is to build. And as you can see, the layout is nice, it's very clean. So you could imagine building a store like this, right? This gives you a professional look. When people come on your website, they're going to look like, wow, this thing is amazing. It looks clean, it looks good, and you can accept multiple payment methods, which we're going to take a look at in just a moment. But this is just to give you a front end overview of a sample of the possibilities that you can have with it. Now, of course, you can take a little bit more time to look at this more, but everything looks good. You can have as many categories as you want based on the size of your store. So again, if you have a store that has just one product, you can do that. Or if you have a store that has 10,000 products, you can do that as well.